Honey, you found a mini ball. Cordy size, Lulu size. Oh, what'd they find?
There's a lot of bugs around here.
Yeah, it's a little natty. Better than mosquitoes though. Oh my goodness, you girls are playing so nicely. Yay! Woo! Woo! Good girls. You guys want to take a water break? No. Nuh-uh. Hi, Lulu. Good girl. That's a good, smart girl. Cordy, you gonna have some? Yeah, I'll keep her off your face. Don't. Are you playing with the water? I love when dogs do that. What you getting, Cord? Don't like the selections? What's the matter?
It's okay.
Here, sweetie, I'll get it. Girl. That's a smart girl.